What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel, Alchemic Power. Today we have a quoted service call to replace liquor bar display lights, LED strip lights underneath liquor bottles in a bar at a restaurant. So we've assembled on site with tools and material. We've procured all our material that we should need for the job prior to arriving. So let's see how it goes. Come on with me. We're gonna bring power up here and over to the other side. Over on this side, we're gonna have our drivers up there and we have power up there. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and ring that bell so you know every time we post a new video. It's every Friday, 9 a.m. Tune in every Friday. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please continue to watch. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend and rest of your week.